Are hair transplants dangerous procedures? Well, the short answer is no. It's a very low complication surgery, especially if you're in good health before arriving. I often like to tell my patients that we compare it to a tattoo because you're lying for a long time and you've got a needle going in and out of your skin. But just like a tattoo, there are some complications, and I like to tell my patients about 3 of the most common complications. Number 1, anytime we break through the integrity of the skin, there is always a risk of infection, and this is why we give you preoperative and post-operative antibiotics. Number 2, we're giving you some medications. Obviously, we're going to do a very thorough medical history and take your allergies beforehand, but there's always a chance that you will have an adverse reaction to the medications, and so we monitor you very carefully throughout the procedure. Number 3, probably the worst complication of a hair transplant procedure, it's something called superficial skin necrosis. This is when a piece of skin dies off and unfortunately doesn't grow any hairs. It's more cosmetic in nature, obviously very unpleasing, but it's not life-threatening. Now, there are things we can do to avoid this, and it generally happens amongst very heavy smokers and diabetics. In short, a hair transplant is a very safe procedure if you're in good health, if you're with a doctor who knows what they're doing, and if you're being monitored the whole day, well then the chances of complications are very, very low.